Hello and good day, guys. Hope you are enjoying the weekend. This is Euro USD. We are going to analyze now. For the people who are watching this video for the first time, I just want to update them along with the old viewers. I am currently in the monthly time frame, and here we can see that this is the top which created this bottom, and this bottom has created this top. Let me Yes, now it looks better, but that's going out of range. Okay, so this is the thing. So we have a top, and this is the bottom, and this bottom created this top. Let's mark this top at the same time. And as far as the last month, not this month, not the current month is concerned, we can see that this is the candlestick for the October, and it was a indecision candle, we say technically, because you have the same length of almost same length of shadow on both the side, on the bearish side as well as the bullish side. Current month we have passed. Today is 18th of November. This is the candle of November, and this candle is too much bullish at the moment. Still we have 12 more days to go before we make a very genuine comment on this candlestick. So let us see how the thing happened here. Initially it broke the structure here. This is the place. Then this month it came down, then through this month it went up. Here it broke the structure, it tried to broke, failed, came back, created enough momentum, and it tried to move upward, but it failed to break this structure and this structure and started a downward trend. So for the last 1, 2, 3, 4 months, apart from this month, it was on bearish, but this month we are seeing a very heavy momentum bullish candlestick, which is known as Marubuju. So far we can see. Now if we measure the depth from this top to this, we can see very clearly that this bearish trend has a retracement of 50% of the previous, the retracement is 50% of this bearish trend. So almost this is 50%, guys. You can see this red line. This is 50%, this arrowhead here. This is the 50%, almost a little bit higher than 50%, and then again started this bearish trend for the last 4 months. Now we have to learn what is going on and what can be done. How can we take a higher probability trade in our favor, either it is long or short, to make some money. So apart from this monthly double bottom and this double top, we can see that here we have also monthly double bottom and double top. So let us get rid of these lines so we can do things more clearly, more visually alluring on your part to understand what is going on. So up to last month it was bearish, now we can see it is bullish. So let us remove this. So if we consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 months, we have a double bottom here. To have a double bottom, what we need is simple. We need red, green, and green, red, red, green, and it has formed the double bottom. Let's mark it, because this double bottom is currently the reason which is pushing this current month upward. On the other side, if we consider this only these months, then we have a double top also. Here you can see very small but effective double top. Can you see, guys? Here we had a double bottom, this red one, and this one, green, red, green, red. So if we consider for any good reason that this is the our range, which is not a small range, let's draw the lines. It's not a small range, my dear. It's a very high range we are dealing at the moment. This is the double top. This is the double top we have, Z1, and let's put it like this. This is the range we have. This is the actual range, and on the double bottom side we have a range like here to at least here up to here. It's a very big range, so I think it will come a little bit down. Let me increase it. Yes, that's better. So this is the range. Now if we measure the half of it, if we measure now, what is happening? And we can see that clearly the current month has crossed the 50%, rather already reached 75% of the total range. So this is the monthly analysis at the moment we have. So let's mark the 50% also, so which can we use in our lower time frame as a point of reference. This is 50%. Okay, so that is it for our monthly time frame analysis. Let's move to weekly now. Now if I disable this just from the week, we can see that we have a weekly double bottom also, but I'm going to delete this weekly double bottom, because if you have double bottom or double top in different time frame, let's say you have a double bottom in day, in week, in month, in the same area, the same price zone, then the precedency is will be given to the time frame, to the higher time frame, not the lower one, because it is predominantly that a higher time frame dominates the market structure, not the lower time frame. Because lower time frame, the more we go to the lower time frame, we are going, or we are going away from the main market structure to the inner structure or mini structure or micro structure. So here we are going to delete this weekly time frame. We will just be abide, we will focus, or we will keep this monthly time frame in focus, that a monthly time frame is there, and it is available as long as the rest lower time frame we are going. So this is the current situation in weekly time frame, you can see. Now here if you see here very clearly that monthly range is here. Can you guys see? The monthly range is here, only here. Okay, let me stretch it a little so it looks better, and the monthly time price range is here. Okay, now there is a catch here, so we need to go to weekly and we will visualize now. Do we have a weekly top here? Do we have a weekly top here? And this is the middle of the month, don't forget. Okay, don't forget. So this is the no, we don't have a double top here in week, so there is nothing in weekly time frame. However, if you can see, just to understand the market structure, when the market went up from here, it has taken liquidity of this and this. However, it has reached its top, so at this point this liquidity doesn't have any implication right at the moment. Now coming back to week, I beg your pardon, there is nothing left in the week, so let's move on to day time frame. Now in day time frame, we used to have a double top here which caused this downtrend, but at the moment we are not interested because we have already marked our range where we would like to see things at the moment. So let's get rid of it. We are not interested anymore, and get rid of all these things we don't need anymore. No, not this one. Okay, not this one. Yes, this one we don't need, and this guy, no, this guy, this green, yes. For some reason I deleted this line. Yes, so this is the situation in day time frame. In the previous week, when we tried to analyze things, we tried to find out what happened here, and in day time frame, if you can see now that we assume that there is a cup. This is the cup, and this was the handle, but the handle supposed to go a little bit down. It didn't. It picked up the thing from here and moved upward, and this was the line I drew in last week, where I tried to visualize that the handle should come up to this level, but it didn't. So let's remove it. We don't need this. Now if we visualize right now, my prediction was if it moves upward, it will retest here, it will come here, retest, and it will move up to this level. However, it moved to this level, which I marked already in my previous video, and I declared this region as this is a deep extreme zone to reconsider sell or short. This area I consider is a extreme zone, deep extreme zone to consider short. So let's see what is happening in the market. So the market, this guy is gone now, its implication is finished, and this guy is also gone now. You see this one, this is gone now. So the market is playing somewhere over here, and it is coming from from lower time frame. This is the guy who is tried to control and created all this price action here, which I have marked in the last video, I think. Yes, I did. So let's finish with the day time frame first. In day time frame, it is clear that it has broken this area already through this candle, but at the same time, so we should remove all these. No point keeping these things, and this FVGA we leave it right now. This fair value gap is unaddressed still now, and also we do have a fair value gap here also. It is unaddressed now, this portion. So it can work as a magnet to bring the price down here, just for your information. Now considering this bullish candle, what we can see that it will start reaching this zone very soon, maybe next week. So my opinion, let's do the analysis based on a little bit lower time frame. That will be better for us, I think. So if we go to 4 hours time frame, this is the price where the price can give some reaction. So let us mark it right now. So this is 4-hour time frame where we leave this alone for the time being, so we can understand from where what is going on. Here the price came, pull back, pushed up, pull back, pushed up, and here we have a very good bullish candlestick. My way of thinking is that we need to watch for this area, and the thing can happen now is like this. It is already moved up, so it will come and retest, and then it will break this area, and then it will again retest this area, and this will go here. And as far as the extreme zone is concerned, now the extreme zone has shifted, because the extreme zone we'll consider is this guy, not the previous guy, rather this guy. And we have a very big, very good opposite color candlestick here, which may resist the price here. So before that, this is the place, mainly this place around 1093 or not. This is the place where the price will be tested. The probability of going high, I mean being bullish, is much higher at the moment, considering the price action here. If we see the price action also, if we go to 4 hours, you can see the price try to break down, and it retested 50% of this candle, and it failed once, went up, came down. We have a very good this is a bearish candle, which clearly give us the indication that the seller tried to push the price down, but the buyer took control. And this is 3 kings horses we can have already. We have here 3 king horses, so it indicates a very good bullish signal. So considering these 3 king's horses, we can say that yes, the probability of going high is much higher. However, the market is never predictable. We make our best estimation based on the price action. So there is maybe another area where we can see that it will come here, it will come here, test, and maybe it will come back to this zone, try to retest, then maybe it will come and grab, then it may go up, may I don't know. This is a very complex area where we are operating at the moment, because you can see the liquidity has already been taken out by this guy. This guy has taken out all the liquidity from here and pushing it high, and it has a very good base. Do you understand base? The base is bigger, the foundation to go upward is higher. So maybe, or maybe it will go high like this and reach this area, and by grabbing the liquidity from here too, and push the price higher. So traders, my suggestion to be bullish biased, but please hope you will wait for this retesting 4 hours time frame, at least one red candle to test to, if that doesn't break this, at least this area, yes. If it breaks this area, then maybe it will come here, somewhere here, or maybe here, this area to collect some liquidity, this area to collect some liquidity and move upward. So please be careful. We are moving very fast because also in compared to other pairs, I have seen that US dollar is showing some sorts of weakness at the moment, but I am not sure, nobody is sure. but always we try to increase the probability of the trade in our favor, so that we can make some money out of it. Take care. Thank you very much. Any comment anything you would like to know, please put it in the comment section, or also please, if possible, share your analysis. Two brain is better than one. Have a nice day.